Here's the reality. If you put $500 into an account, okay, you professionalize yourself a little bit, and you don't have to be YouTube, winged car door, step in, okay? You don't need that. But if you put your $500 into account and you trade it as if you're going to show it to somebody you respect, right? As if you're going to show it to an investor in a year, trade it that way. I promise you, if at the end of the year, you've got data that says I've maintained my drawdown of, let's say 20% or above, that means I've never risked more than 20% of the original capital. And notice I said original, not, I grew it 500% in the whole capital. I said original capital. And hey, I've made 50% this year, 20% this year. And we can do that together. With the trades we call together alone, you can honestly do that, honest to God, fairly easily. If you stop over leveraging, over trading, over putting too many trades in your account, lot sizes, at the end of the year, there are plenty of people with money who will back you and they won't micromanage you. Now you have all the blame and the shame and the emotional attachment to having to manage their money. But I promise you, there are people on FX Book who will reach out to you. There are people who you don't require the prop firm. You don't require any of that stuff. You have options. But just so you guys know, you have options. If you start trading like you are going somewhere, if you start trading like you want to be somewhere in the next 2 years and not just rich, because a lot of people I think come to this chart and trade like they want to be rich and not like they want to be free, not like they want to be good. Trade like you want to be good and not wealthy, because the wealth comes with time, like the money comes with time. Trade like you want to be good at this and not like you want to be rich, and it'll change how you're taking your trades too, a whole bunch.